You are going to love the 2023 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.